To create a border around an image, let's go to our uploads. I'll pick on the image and I'll come over to this stroke style here, and I can choose which style I want to give to the borders I'm adding. You have this dotted style, you have this one, but let's go for the plain one. And you want to increase your stroke strength to 25. And if you still want to beautify this further, you can add a corner rounding to it. And let's take the corner rounding to 25 also. And if you want to change the color, we can come over to this stroke color here, and we can pick a color. We're giving our image a border around it. If you want to do it for the image itself, you might want to take out the background of your image, and you will need a pro account if you're using a free account. I particularly like to use the magic grab to do this. Let's go over to magic grab. I'll pick this image and we'll grab it. Once I have this image cut out from the background, you can see that, and I want to apply the border to this image itself. I'm going to go over to edit and come down to effects here. I will go to shadows and I'll add this outline here. You see it has given it sort of a border around the image we cut out. And I'm going to scroll down and probably change the color to something more visible, and you can reduce the stroke strength or increase it, and you can also select the intensity, how visible do you want this border to be.